Hey, good morning, everyone. Hi from the Netherlands. It's Chris from Loresmyth with Remarkable Cults development update. I hope everybody is doing fine, so let's jump in with the updates. So in previous updates, I already mentioned our progress tracker, and it's proven a quite useful tool. It's actually just a fancy spreadsheet with some magic going on, and it's been very helpful for us to easily keep track of where everything is at, which development stage every deliverable is, and it automatically calculates the percentages for us, which is a great benchmark. The majority of the book has been written as a first version, and we've internally reviewed it. We're now doing extensive rewrites to increase the quality and creativity and expanding certain sections. And pretty soon you will see the percentages jump up as sections and whole chapters are being locked down and are being called finished. After that, they are going to go through to the next development stage, which is going to be editing and proofreading. So all in all, things are going very well. We like to think that we're on schedule in terms of the writing, and it's been a very exciting process seeing the contents of this book come together. So yeah, really cool stuff. We can't wait to really show it to you. You can see here in the spreadsheet, you can see the various development stages going from the initial creative briefing to writing the first version, the second version, internal review by us, and potentially making any final changes before it's really called, before we call it done. And then it gets approved and it moves to the next stage to the editors and proofreaders. If we switch to the artwork tab real quick, you're going to see a similar view. To the left, there's we list all of the art pieces which we call deliverables. They're named and numbered. So as you can see in the Remarkable Cults book, there's lots and lots of illustrations, and they go through the similar development stages. So you can see we create a briefing for it. The artist turns in a sketch or a composition. If the sketch is approved, they're going to continue to making a first render, a second version of the artwork, and so on until we finally receive the finished version and we have the assets on our computer to be included in the book. So it's very interesting to see the progress here as well. It's a massive amount of artwork, but you can see there's lots of green, and it says done in a lot of places, which is great. And the artists have been doing a killer job. They've been working around the clock for months. And there's some very, very cool artwork coming for this book. So yeah, can't wait to show you. So jumping to a high-level view for a moment, development seems to be on track. Our original planning for the Kickstarter campaign was to deliver the digital files starting in December, and physical fulfillment around February, March of next year. For digital fulfillment, it looks like the book will be done earlier, so there's quite a decent chance that we will be able to share the PDF version of the book earlier than December of this year. So we are going to keep you posted on that. We are not skimping on quality, so if we think the book needs a little bit more time, we are going to take that time to really polish it and make it the best we can. But looking at the current trajectory and how things are progressing, it's coming together very quickly. And yeah, there is a good chance that we will have the actual PDF version of the book ready before December. When the digital files are done and nothing changes anymore, they're going to be prepped for manufacturing, which is called a pre-press phase, which is technically getting the book ready for manufacturing in a print format. Due to COVID, manufacturing times have increased a lot, and also transportation logistics times really are much longer these days. So that's why we are planning quite defensively, and we expect that in the first quarter of next year, the goods may arrive in America in our various warehouses. So Even though the digital file of the book is going to be ready this year, that doesn't mean that we can very quickly ship the physical goods straight after that, because it takes several months to manufacture, and then again several months to transport the goods via ocean freight to the other side of the world. And really, yeah, our experience right now from last year and also this year with COVID, not only has it become more expensive, but it also just takes a long time. We're going to keep you posted on however things are going to go. Every time we have new information, we're going to communicate it as clearly as we can through the Kickstarter updates. All right, that's it for today. We're going to be back in about 1 to 2 weeks with another update. And from now on, we will actually be able to show much more of the actual book. Now that the writing is really coming to fruition, more and more artwork is coming into place. So it's actually beginning to look like a book now. So exciting times. We're able to start showing lots more. And so you're going to get very cool updates. All right. Thanks for now. Until the next update. Talk soon. And bye-bye.